everyone, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, lift up this ponytail and then insert a multiple prong decorative pin from the bottom to the top and back down again. Comb the top of the hair, add a rubber band to the end of it and then fold it over and then pin it up in place using a bobby pin as such. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Divide the hair into two portions, make a ponytail out of both of these portions and then taking the right section, pull it through the top left side, taking the left section, pull it through the top right side. Continue to do this until you are no longer left with sections, add a rubber band at the bottom and pin it up in place underneath. Use a multiple prong decorative pin on top of this. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself and then tighten it. Tie a low ponytail at the bottom and then after this add a rubber band to the bottom of this and afterwards lift the hair up, make a small cavity in the middle section of it, roll it up, make a bun out of it and afterwards pin it in place using a multiple prong decorative pin as such. Adjust it as need be. Next, we'll start off by taking a section of the hair from the top in the middle and then use a multiple level clip and then attach this vertically. Take two sections of the hair from either side, insert it first into the first level, that is the topmost level of the clip, and then insert it into the middle and the bottom level of the clip as well. Next, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair and then lift up this ponytail, use a multiple prong pin in the base of it. Add a rubber band to the end of this after letting the hair back down and then fold it over, add a decorative clip on top of this and adjust it as need be. Next, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, then divide this ponytail into two parts, add a rubber band in the middle of each of these two parts and roll the hair in on itself. Slightly loosen the sides of it using your fingers as such. Afterwards, join the two together in the middle. Lift it up slightly and then add a rubber band to the base of it, taking the excess amounts of hair that is present, adjust it, twist it and then tie it up in place using a decorative pin to it as such. Next, take a section of the hair from the right side and then pin it up and then afterwards take sections of the hair from the left, twist it and insert it into each of the levels of the clip as such. After you've inserted each of the sections into each of the levels of the clip, comb it in place. Next, we'll start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, then add a hair stick into this ponytail, twist the hair around this hair stick and then insert it from the right to the left side as such. Comb it in place or adjust the excess pieces as need be. Next, add a multi-level clip to the back of the hair in the center. Take a section of the hair from the right side, twist it, insert it into the middle of the clip. Take a section of the hair from the left side as well, twist it, insert it into the middle level of the clip. Now take a section from the right side, twist it, insert it into the right side of the clip. Take a section from the left side, twist it, insert it into the left side of the clip as such. Comb the rest of the hair in place. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair. Before you tie it up, however, make a hair twine using the gap of the hair twine. Insert the hair into this. Go from the bottom to the top and twist it around it as such. Lift it up and make it into a bun. Adjust it as need be. Take the top section of the hair and then gather it all together and now using a hair stick, wrap the hair around this hair stick and then twist it in place as such. After this, insert the rest of the hair into place. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, divide this ponytail into two sections and then afterwards begin to loosen the sections of the hair using your fingers as such. Do this for each of the levels of it and then at the bottom, loosen the sections of the hair adding your rubber band, roll it up and then use a decorative clip around this. Adjust the hair as need. Next, you may use different patterns of it to make it look all the more aesthetically pleasing. Gather all of the hair together, wrap this hair around your finger and afterwards twist it up into a bun. Taking the excess amounts of hair that is present, adjust the rest of the hair around it and then clip it up in place using a decorative clip. Thank you for watching.